Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Well, it delivered, I would say, right? Yesterday we came down to this key support level here, which was for the wave for the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And if we just measure that again, the retracement here, you can see we hit the 50% retracement at roughly 84 cents. Told you in my video yesterday, and also did post it on Telegram and Discord, that it really had to turn around at 84 cents or I would not be able to count the move up that was supposed to follow as a wave 5. Well, it turned around exactly at the point it had to turn around. So MATIC delivered, and that was really impressive because this move is, I would say, quite bullish. It is a move that you haven't seen necessarily on other cryptos, and here you can see again how cryptos, move in their own waves, they move in their own style, they don't necessarily move with Bitcoin. Here you can see a nice example of decoupling. MATIC moved up, it actually moved all the way to 99 cents, pretty much the dollar level, not quite, it missed it. And yeah, I can count 5 waves now. And that is exactly what we wanted to see, to be able to count this move up as, well, at least as a diagonal pattern. At least we have 5 waves now. What I can tell you, I would like to see a little bit more of a wave 5, yeah. In an ideal world, I'd like to see a little bit of a stronger wave 5, maybe clearly into the region of $1. We were a bit short of it, or $1.05, sort of in that region there, yeah. Would be nice to see if it can hold it for a bit. Yeah, that would be ideal. That would be my, well, I don't want to say primary expectation because it has done now what it needs to do. But this would just give a little bit more confidence and give just a little bit of a clearer picture. And yeah, let's say confidence for the next wave down. Because what I would like to see is now the wave 2 retracement at some point. Yeah, so this scenario was fulfilled that I had on the chart here. But again, I'd like to see a little bit more of upside. And then I'm waiting for this wave 2 retracement to occur. And that is what I will buy in, because it has now fulfilled the requirements. It turned around down here. It moved up in 5 waves. Yeah, again, just waiting for a little bit more of a move up. But yeah, this was yesterday again another reversal point here, another target point. And it did reverse. If we now say, okay, we're waiting for wave 2 to the downside now, which is this one. Yeah, this is the correction into an uptrend. Then let's say from the current high, but there is no reversal signal yet. So I think we could push a bit higher. Here, I mean, if you look at this, the $1.05 level would be a nice target. It's also an interesting resistance area there. That's the next main resistance, and getting there would be nice and I think quite logical. Let's see if we get there. But let's say we come down from now, at least I will be able to give you some kind of a target from here. The target for this wave 2 would be between the 50% and the 78.6% retrace. So between the 84 cent level and the 75 cent level. That's a support area where I will start to scale into MATIC again, right? So that's looking good. And that's pretty much the update I can give you. Really did decouple, moved up nicely, and what you can do, 2 things here. So obviously the ascending wedge broke. We had support at the 50%, no, at the, it was the 50% level here, measuring it from that wave 2 to that wave 3. And it was also the ascending wedge, support level. I think now what we can do, we might be able to draw it a little bit different. Yeah, and so if I draw it like that, you've got 3 touch points. You've got one here, and one there. Maybe that's the reason why we found resistance. But there's another potential way of drawing it. I think that would create a bit of a channel here. And this would be, if I connect all of these points here. I think this looks more like a parallel channel then. But here we have also a little bit more space. If I draw it like that, yeah. A little bit more space, and you can actually draw it on, and you can connect all of these bits here. And then this would allow it to get, basically to $1. We haven't quite reached the dollar level. We've reached 99 cents. Let's see if we still get there. Okay, and that's my update about Polygon MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.